In this video, we'll be changing vertex form of a quadratic function to standard form. So this one, what you have to do is remember that x minus 4 squared is x minus 4 written twice, not x squared plus 16. So write it twice, and then you're going to FOIL this. So x times x is x squared, x times negative 4 times x, and then negative 4 times negative 4, and then add the plus ones at the end. And then you simplify, so x squared minus 8x, and then that would be plus 17. Okay? And you went from vertex to standard there. So again, this statement and this statement are equivalent. They graph the same exact way, except one's in vertex form and one's in standard. Alright, this one's a little bit different. The first thing you have to deal with is the parentheses. So, again, you write that twice. Now, what I would do here is sorry, there's not a squared there. I would FOIL the parentheses out. So, ignore the 2 for a minute. X times x is x squared, and then 3x, and then 3x, and then 9. So that's that FOILed. Then I add 5. Now that 2 is multiplied to the product of these two. So I put parentheses around that. And now you have to simplify. So this 2 would stay on the outside, x squared plus 6x plus 9. I just simplified the parentheses. And now I would distribute the 2, so 2x squared plus 12x plus 18 plus 5. Notice I didn't multiply the 2 by 5 because the 5 is not in the parentheses. And now simplify one more time. 2x squared plus 12x, and 18 and 5 would be 23. So I've changed what started out in vertex form to standard form. So again, equivalent statements, equivalent functions, they graph the same way, they're just in two different forms.